The question reads, a 75 milliliter solution of hydrochloric acid with an unknown concentration is titrated to the equivalence point with 27.3 milliliters of CaOH2 with a concentration of 0.157. The question is asking, what is the concentration of HCl in the original solution? So first we're going to draw a picture, and you're going to see right here we have our 75 milliliters of HCl, which is going to go down to 0.075 liters for purposes in the equation. And right over here we have the 27.3 milliliters, which translates to 0.0273 liters of our CaOH2 with a molarity of a concentration, of 0.157. So if you'll remember this equation over here, you can find the moles of a compound by taking the concentration and multiplying it by the volume. So down here we've done that, and we get 0.273 liters of CaOH2, and we multiplied by the concentration of 0.157 and got 0.0042861 moles of CaOH2. Now, looking at the balanced equation, which you add a 2 and a 2 in front of the H2O and HCl, now what you would do is you would take the moles that you found of the CaOH2 and you use the stoichiometry and compare. So 1 mole of CaOH2 requires 2 moles of HCl, which you can get from the balanced equation. And after multiplying all that through, you come up with 0.0085722 moles of HCl. Now, remembering this equation up here, the moles is concentration times volume. You can derive the concentration using the same formula. So what you would do is you would take the 0.0085722 moles of HCl and you would divide by 0.075 liters, which is the volume of HCl, which will give you 0.114 concentration of HCl, and that's your final answer. Now, one thing that a lot of students probably mess up on is they forget that when you're talking about the volume, you always have to go from liters, and most questions are going to give you the volume in milliliters, so you always have to remember to translate that over to liters, or else your question's going to be wrong. Your answer's going to be wrong every single time. So that's one thing to watch out for.